And how's it going, everybody? And guess what? Today is the day of removing this generator from the boat. If you watched the last episode, I showed you how I built this little engine puller that we're going to try to use today. Hopefully it will be successful and not break on us and crumble under the weight of the generator. But me and Veronica are going to give it our best shot. So come along for this video because it ought to be exciting. Yeehaw!
Your own little production going on here. I take it you're excited about this.
I am. I'm ready to get this deed off. I can't go on to the next project until this is done. Just hold that there. All right.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Did I hit you?
That's okay. I got it.
Actually, you can open up the screen and it'll go right through it.
All right. Now push it back further toward the wall. There you go.
Yeah, good thing we had screens.
So far, so good.
There's sweat.
No, it's raining for this.
So it's a lot of work.
Right here, Veronica asked me, she goes, if that breaks, will it go through the bottom of the boat?
Oh.
And of course, a good husband's going to say, no, there's no way it's going to go through the bottom of the boat. And for those that want to know, this is going to be a Westerbeke 8.5 kW, and the manufacturer states on their website that it weighs 550 pounds.
Close your eyes, 'cause it snaps. Where'd you get it? Oh, move this under there. Did you make this too?
Of course. Somebody did.
If you come from the back side, you can go ahead and get it in there.
Yeah, I'll just crank it. I gotta get it up anyways. Center it.
Okay. No.
You need to go back my way with it. Go the other way. Right there. Okay.
You want these two on here, though, don't you?
Yeah, I'll get them. Just pull it real gentle. I'll recenter it.
Okay, go. Is it centered?
Just push.
Push on it?
Yep.
Push on the pallet or the...
The engine, it should go. Perfect. Yep. Easy.
So we're going to have to crank it all the way up over these poles.
Yep.
I'll push it.
Position. Watch your toes. Should be good.
We're going to sink.
Huh?
Boat's like, whoa.
All right, so we've got this engine moved out here, and we've moved our little hoist here, and this right here, I welded that eye on there, and hopefully this ratchet strap, once we lift it up, ratchet strap's going to be able to slide that across and get it to where we need to be right here. Spraying a little bit of WD-40 right here on top of this, hopefully it'll help slide. Yep, it's clear. Okay. Yeah, this on top. We're almost there. We're almost there, Lee.
Slow. I think it's for the cooler.
Yep. Thank goodness for cool weather.
Yes.
Woohoo! We got it, guys.
Hooray.
Got it. All right. That is a success. Oh, well, look at this contraption. So, had a big ratchet strap that I welded the eye on, sprayed this down WD-40. The chain was still wanting to dig in on the sides. Took a screwdriver and just kind of worked it, and it would work its way down. But all right, now we got a way to get this up in the truck and get it on the trailer. So this here is where the generator was sitting at here. Let me zoom out. So this was the big generator, which sat right in this area. I am going to be replacing this decking in this area, and I'm not really for sure exactly what I'm going to do just yet with it, but I'm going to do something different. Make it a little bit more useful. All right, everybody, so I didn't get us actually loading this up on the trailer. Time we had to dismantle this hoist and had to carry it down the dock and get it on the truck. But anyhow, we was able to get this generator up on my trailer, got it home, and got it offloaded. So this is one big project done, and I am so glad. And I tell you what, the back of the boat raised up about 2.5 inches, which is amazing. So, hey, we'll catch you next time on the Jeep Man King channel.